In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your display not scaling properly on your Windows 11 and 10 device. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Windows Start menu and type Settings. Then click on System, then click on Display, click on Display Resolution, and from here, simply select the resolution that must fit your device. And keep doing it until your display fits the screen. Another thing that you can do is simply select the scale size. You can see now it's in 125%, but you can change it to 150. You can see things are now bigger and zoom. 175, and keep doing it until your display fits the screen. And that's it. That's how you can fix your display not scaling properly on your Windows 11 and 10 device. If you still have questions, be sure to comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. This is Chris J Technology and I'll be catching you on the next video. Have a good day.